If you would like to see how I embellish these Converse shoes with the glass crystals and these white AB jelly rhinestones, continue to watch this video. Today in this video, I am going to be embellishing some Converse shoes. Let me go ahead and take them out the box. These are so nice. I can't remember when I bought them or where I bought them from because it's been a while. I've been meaning to get around to it, but anyway, I wiped them off with alcohol really good. These are a size 9 in women's and 7 in men's. They may have come from Journeys, but I really don't know. And they're patent leather. I've never had a pair that was patent leather. Usually they're canvas material. So I've already wiped them down with alcohol. I'm going to be using white jelly AB rhinestone. I'm gonna just do these two. I'm just gonna go with the clear and the white jelly. I have these available for sale. I will have a link. So I'll be using 4mm glass crystal. See, these are not resin. I wanted to step it up a little bit for these shoes. Nothing is wrong with resin. They're just not as high quality as these glass stones. So I'm going to use 4 and 5mm. Then I'm going to use 5mm of the white. Going to be using a glue that I adore, Liquid Fusion. It's about 10 bucks. You can get it on Amazon. That's where I picked mine up from. Precision tip glue bottle, Amazon as well, 12 pack for about $7 or $5. I like to start on the toe area. What I like to do is I like this glue too because it doesn't take a lot at all. I like to start on the toe area, and I like to go in like a upside down rainbow pattern, or like a smile pattern, if you will, but kind of the way the curve of the shoe is going. Some people go straight across, each to its own. You can do it however you like to. So I'm just going to start with a little bit of glue. Make sure I just have this little glass jar. I like to keep it in there and keep it upside down, because if not, you'll just have to keep waiting for the glue to fall back down to the tip of the bottle. You don't want to have to wait for that. I have this little pickup tool that's about 8 bucks off of Amazon, and then I just place my stone on there. And that's it. What you want to do is just make sure that you have your stones very tight and close together to avoid any spacing or gapping. And then you just keep going. I've gotten with the toe area. Very sparkly and very nice. Now I'm just going to keep on working my way up. I have the toe area complete. Line, and I'm not exactly sure what I think of it yet, or what, if I should have not did the clear and just did all the white AB jelly. I'm not sure, but I know I did the right thing by using some of the AB jelly, because this matches the ring around where the shoelace goes identical. So sometimes I don't really know where the direction is going, and I don't like it until I'm completely finished. So I'm just going to continue to add on the white AB. I kind of wanted to have more of that because I feel like it matches the shoe because of this and that detail. So just continue to watch how I just try to make sure I go in between. Pretty much, because I'm using all 5mm, I'll use 4mm as needed. I'm just trying to decide if I want to do a scatter and mix it all up, or do I want to go line by line. But I'm just kind of going like a brick layer. Honeycomb, that's what I'm trying to do. The honeycomb method. So just continue to watch how I go ahead and lay these stones. I went ahead and started to fill in this area as closely as I can, because I only have 5mm of the white AB. Now I've already added the glue, and I'm just gonna go up this area right here. A few little bits of glue on and took my 4mm glass stones just to kind of scatter a little bit of the clear. So far, I just scattered some more of the clear glass AB stones, and I'm just going to finish up this little part right here. Now with the shoe, I added a few more sprinkles of the clear, and then I majority kept going with the white AB rhinestones, but I did add some of the glass stones in as well. So I'm just going to continue to finish off this little piece right here, and this is how the other side is looking. But you see those glass stones are very, very nice. Start on the second shoe. You'll do the same process that you did for the first shoe. So I'll go ahead and add a couple rhinestones. Just basically doing the same thing I did to the first shoe. I've closed into this small area right here, and I'm just going to continue to add the stones. I'm mainly using the white AB, as you can see, but I did scatter some 4mm of the clear glass stones. This is how much I have left. The little area that right there, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up. Then I'm gonna put the shoestrings in and show you the finished look. Okay, and here is the finished final result of the Converse. Glass crystals on the toe area, white AB jelly with sprinkles of glass crystals. And I really like these shoes. I really like the fact that they are patent leather and they're not just that thin canvasy material. So I really think these came out great. I probably won't wear them until next summer. You know, it's like, well, right now it's November, and I don't think I'll be wearing these anytime soon. but they're super cute. I do look forward to them. Converse are pretty comfortable for the most part. And just to show you how I did the back, I just kind of went up the back and just kind of tried to do a little squared out design there. And then I did go in and do the sides. At one point I used to just do one side of the shoe because I felt like one side over here was enough, but I went ahead and did both sides. It seemed like it took forever, but I did it over a course of 2 days. So I like them and I think they came out really nice. This is just showing you something you could do. I think these would be cute, especially with them being, and the reason why I did do the white AB is because around, if you can see that, around that area, the little ring that go around the shoestring, it's like a pearl iridescent color. So I figured these rhinestones would be super cute. What would have also been nice was if I would have did all glass on them as well. But I like the little color pop that it gives with the AB rhinestones. So this video, I hope it was inspiring. Maybe if you're getting married and you want to wear something like this instead of wearing some heels or something. I hope this video did offer some type of inspiration. And thank you all for watching this video. Bye-bye.